Well, top of the morning to you folks. Some students this week came and made some mushrooms, so I thought I'd do a short tutorial on how you can make mushrooms. Okay, so I've already explained this method. Over here I'm going to explain the sand method. I just went down to the beach and got some sand, brought it home, put it in an old meat container that I was saving. You need to just put a tiny bit of water with the sand, press it down, and then what I did was I put a toilet roll in here and pulled some of the cement out, some of the sand out and made a shape. Then I got a spoon and I dug out a little bit further, as you can see me doing here. And then what you do is you pour peanut butter type consistency concrete into these holes, and that will make another type of stem for your mushrooms instead of doing it this way. So in this photo I'm just showing you the mushroom stems already set, and I put tent pegs in to the cement. The little hook on the bottom of these tent pegs is down there, and instead of making the stem in the bowl with the mushroom, this is another way that you can make mushrooms. Here you can see that I've used a couple of different size bowls to make mushrooms, and in a moment I'll show you the completed mushrooms. So easy. Have fun. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you gave me a like. I'm 78 and I've been making concrete statues since I was 3 years old, and I'll be doing the best I can to try and upload lots of different videos to help you make some money. Have a great day, folks. Like and subscribe. So here are the almost completed mushrooms. I need to tidy up the paintwork on them, and I love to add little words on everything that's in my garden, because sometimes when people come for a cup of tea or to do something else, they feel a bit sad or a bit low on that day, and they just love looking at all the lovely things in my garden that have all these little words. And they, like a lady said to me yesterday, I wish I. And I said, well, okay, let's do some Reiki and make sure that wish comes true. Add inspiration to your garden. It helps others immensely. And please like my video. It really helps me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.